I've been using Aithor AI for a while now, and in this video, I'm giving you my honest and unbiased review of Aithor AI in 2025. I'll cover everything from its key features to possible downsides, so by the end of this video, you'll know if Aithor AI is the writing tool you need this year. Let's dive in. Aithor AI is an advanced writing assistant designed to help users create high-quality, plagiarism-free content quickly and easily. Whether you're a student, blogger, or business professional, Aithor AI aims to simplify the writing process by offering tools for essay writing, article generation, and even professional reports. One of its standout features is the built-in plagiarism checker, which helps ensure your work stays original and credible. It scans your content in real time, so you can catch any accidental matches before you hit publish. Another powerful feature is its paraphrasing and rewriting tool. If you're looking to improve sentence structure, make your writing sound more natural, or simply avoid redundancy, Aithor AI provides helpful suggestions instantly. Plus, it supports multiple languages, making it versatile for global users. The interface is clean and easy to navigate, even if you're not tech-savvy. You can start a new project, check grammar, and export your final draft without any hassle. However, it's worth noting that while Aithor AI covers the basics excellently, it might not be as advanced in creative writing compared to some competitors. Complex tasks like poetry or deeply nuanced storytelling may require manual adjustments. Pricing-wise, Aithor AI offers affordable subscription plans, making it accessible for both individuals and teams. There's also a free version with limited features if you just want to try it out before committing. Overall, Aithor AI is a solid writing companion in 2025. If you're looking for an efficient way to polish your writing, check for originality, and save time on editing, it's definitely worth exploring. As always, try for yourself and see if it suits your specific needs. That's it for this video. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit that super thanks button to support the channel, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews like this. See you in the next one.